The role of DevOps in Agile software development. Agile and DevOps methodologies have emerged as two of the most popular approaches to software development, each with its own unique set of principles and practices. The role of DevOps in Agile software development. Collaboration. DevOps and Agile methodologies promote collaboration between software developers, operations teams, and other stakeholders to ensure that the software development process is streamlined and optimized for efficiency. Continuous integration. One of the key principles of DevOps is continuous integration, where code changes are automatically built, tested, and integrated into a shared repository multiple times a day. Continuous deployment. DevOps practices also include continuous deployment, where code changes are automatically deployed to production after passing automated tests. Automation. Automation is another critical aspect of DevOps and Agile software development. By automating repetitive and time-consuming tasks such as testing, deployment, and monitoring, teams can focus on more strategic and value-added activities. Teamwork. Both DevOps and Agile methodologies emphasize the importance of teamwork and collaboration within cross-functional teams. Software delivery tools and practices. DevOps and Agile methodologies rely on a variety of tools and practices to facilitate software development, testing, deployment, and monitoring. Communication. Effective communication is essential for the successful implementation of DevOps and Agile practices. Conclusion. In conclusion, DevOps and Agile methodologies play complementary roles in software development, enabling teams to deliver high-quality software products quickly and efficiently.